Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing an unboxing, an in-depth look, a review of FabFitFun. I have loved FabFitFun for a long time. I know you guys know other YouTubers that love FabFitFun. So I have partnered with FabFitFun. Woo! If you are not sure what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box. So it's 4 times a year and you get a bunch of full-size fitness, beauty, fashion, lifestyle products, which is amazing. Like full size is where it's at. I've had subscription boxes before that are sample sizes that are like this big and you're like, okay, but it's like a drop and it's done. The fact that this comes 4 times a year, it's not repetitive, and I have discounts to make this even cheaper for you guys. So basically these boxes are jam-packed with over $200 worth of products for just $49.99. But if you guys use my code, which is right here, PINK10, you guys can get your first box for just $39.99, so $10 off. And I cannot wait to show you guys what's in here because it is my birthday in a couple days. It's my birthday weekend. I'm celebrating my birthday weekend. So this is literally a birthday present to me because there are full-size products in here. I am so excited. And honestly, it does feel like your birthday when you're opening this as well. So that's why I wanted to do this as like my birthday, your birthday, because it can literally just feel like your birthday as you are opening this. So when we crack it open, we're gonna get some reading material here. So I always see these like little coupons here. So there's a fun little, oh, these like are meaning, oh my god, $90 off of Green Chef. Oh, look at that. And then here's your little catalog. And so in here, I don't like to look at this because I just like to, like I said, it's like your birthday and you open everything, but it'll tell you everything you got in detail. So if you really like something, you can get, you know, more information on it. Also, this is available in Canada, UK, and USA. You can also customize the boxes. And the one thing I love is many of the products, like just the single product, costs more than you would pay for the entire box, especially if you're using my code PINK10 for getting it for only $39.99. Some of these products are going to be more than that. So that's what I like, is getting your money's worth, girl. So oh my god, oh my goodness. So this is what we are seeing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at this. Okay girl, what should we do first? What is, no way, I've been wanting one of these so, oh my god, this is literally my birthday. Dude, this is a Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. I've been wanting one of these so badly. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god, look at how gorgeous this is. I always see so many people using these like when I go to people's houses. So this is the little wireless device here. So you just plug this in and plug this into your charging cable or your wall outlet, whatever you have. And then you just stick your phone right on here and it'll charge it. And it's so beautiful as well. Yumi Kim, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. So this alone is $35. So this is pretty much, with my code, you're gonna get this, and this is what you bought, but you get all these other things included in it. So, girl. Oh, another really important thing that I want to say before I get into the other full unboxing is FabFitFun frequently partners with charities and female-founded companies each season, and this season they're partnering with the Special Olympics, which is amazing. I absolutely love that. I love when companies give back and do good rather than just, you know, like make money and like, here's our, you know, wireless charging pack. So I really like that a lot. Okay, what do we got next? Let's grab this. Oh wow, it fell out. Beach Mist After Sun Spray. Oh my god, this is so perfect. I've been out in the sun so much. I cannot go to the tanning bed. You guys, quarantine and businesses being closed down. It's a hard time right now. I haven't been tanning in the tanning bed, so I've been tanning outside. So what is this After Sun Spray? Oh, ooh. Oh, oh my god, yummy. Let's read more about it. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing the soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. And this is $42 for this. So this is gonna be so good for me after I'm done in the sun, because you don't feel like super hot after, and this will just cool down your skin. Ooh. So far things that I'll actually use rather than like junk items. Like, no offense to other subscription websites, but I'm like, oh, okay. Like, I'm like, oh. This is why I keep going back to FabFitFun, because I genuinely like their items. Okay, this now is Tarocco Sicilian Blood Oranges foot cream. Oh my god, I need a foot cream so bad. Pedicure. They know what they're doing right now because of quarantine. Like, I can't get a pedicure. I can't go tanning. A combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet. And this is $24 for this. Yep. Ooh. The bottoms of my feet, like, oh my god, they need work. Honey, when I go back to the pedicure place, it's gonna be like literally Dumb and Dumber when they're like zzz, like zizzing, when they're smells so good. Oh my God, soothe my feet, pretty girl. Soothe. Ooh. Oh my God, yum. Oh my, it actually feels like I just got a pedicure. I know it's like real dramatic. You know that like feeling, like it's just like the smell and the feel. I'm way too excited for this. What is this? A toner. Okay, this is a Terry Mare aloe and tea tree toner. This is huge. Look at this. They're not playing around. Ooh, pretty. Oh my God, this. I love displaying things in my bathroom, and this. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't use toners. I think I'm gonna give this a go. Anti-aging. I need that, girl. I'm telling you, it's my birthday. I'm 30 right away, so this. Thank you, FabFitFun. Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and slows away dead skin cells. $54. I cannot wait to put this on my skin and have the anti-aging benefits, because I feel like I should be using a toner, and this will definitely kickstart that for me. And it's beautiful, and I feel like I'm really gonna like this. And it doesn't have this like strong, overbearing scent in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. This says Michael Kors. Wait. This is actually my birthday right now? Girl. Okay, I'm ripping this right now. This is a Michael Kors. I think this is a passport holder. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is gorgeous. And then you can put like your other cards here. Like this is all I would need for traveling. I wouldn't even need to bring a purse or anything. I would just need this. Or even for just like little trips, like if I was just gonna go see like Carly in Windsor and like just fly over, like this is such a perfect thing just to have everything right here. Just like your cards and some money. Like this is like your airport, you know, because I use my passport and then I have my purse, and I don't like to use my purse in the airport anyway because I'm using my carry-on and my luggage and stuff, you know what I mean? And it just gets like confusing. So literally I just have this in my cell phone, and that's all I would need. You know, some subscription websites, like I'm not trying to boost FabFitFun, and like I know they're definitely paying me to do this video, but they're not paying me for my opinions, like Michael Kors. What I'm trying to say is I watch a lot of unboxings because I love watching unboxings of subscription websites, and a lot of people are like, this, you know, this so-and-so box was super good and now like it's just fall off, it's downhill and stuff. They like, to me, they listen to their critiques. Like I know for a while people were like, why don't you ship to Canada? There should be this, this, and this. Like I feel like they listen to like the trends with like the wireless charging pad. Michael Kors. I cannot wait to see what else is in there, but like, this sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, boarding pass. Oh my God, your boarding pass is going there too. Yes. Super organized, $78. Need I say more? Like, my code and everything is down below, so I don't have to keep saying it, but my code and everything, all the essentials you guys need is down there in the description box. Bye. I'm like legit gonna be using all these things. So, oh my God, fragrance oil, a roll-on fragrance oil. Ardle. Okay, let me see here. Ooh, roll-on fragrance oil. Let's put it on here. Ooh. Oh-ho. Oh my God, that's so nice. And it's weird, it is like an oil. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It smells like very classy. Like if there was a girl and she was shopping with like her Louis Vuitton, and then she had her little dog right under here, and then she was like shopping with her sugar daddy ahead, and she was just walking like with her huge implants, and she was like this, and she walked right by you. This is what she would smell like. Everyone's like, suddenly we do not want it. Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. $50. So that is probably why I went the route of a little dog, Louis Vuitton, big fake implants, because it was personal to me, and that is my inner child. That's my inner spirit. Honestly, my inner scent, I don't know about you, but I think we should bottle this. Riddle, you better contact me. It kind of smells like a little bit like baby powdery mixed with Chanel No. 5. I feel like that's my personal scent. I'm baby powder mixed with Chanel No. 5. What's this? What is this? Tom's. Oh my God, there's sunglasses. Oh, swish, swish, bish. Oh, girl. Okay, stop. I have been wanting sunglasses like this for so long, so much so that I went to Walmart and I bought like really cheap, oh my god, gifts. It says up here, oh my goodness, it says give site. I don't know if you guys can see that right up there. And they are like, they're like greeny, kind of orangey. I don't know, they're like green. No, they're like greeny. I've been wanting sunglasses like this. I went to Walmart and got like imitation knockoffs of these basically, and it comes with a little case right here. And Tom's, I know, gives back a lot. So let me just try these on real quick. Like, look at this, sunglasses. Cute, bye. Oh my god, these are fierce. Oh my god, I love FabFitFun, like literally. 100%, if they weren't sponsoring me to do this and sending me these, I would be a customer. I am not just saying that, like all this like shows, like it's not just one thing, because I would get bored of like just a makeup subscription website, you know what I mean? Oh my god, like bye. Ah, love these. How much are these? Okay, let me see here in my handy dandy notebook. Tom's Sydney sunglasses. These oversized and slightly cat eye frames make for a classic shape to add to your collection. $58. I know Tom's is a really good company, and you know, if you want to look more into Tom's company, you can do that, but I know that they do good. So I love those. Those are the Sydney. Ooh, this box is bomb. This is the best FabFitFun box I've ever got. The very last thing we have in this particular box is this Murad Essential Sea Cleanser Environmental Shield. So I've heard lots about Murad. Oh, looks like this. It's pretty big. Use the antioxidant rich citrus cleanser to remove impurities and waken the senses. $40 for this. Okay, this is good. I like using a cleanser if I'm wearing like a really heavy coverage foundation, and my makeup remover, I don't want to keep like rubbing my makeup remover, and they like, especially in here, I feel like in here and like my dry skin and here, I can't really get a lot of the makeup off. So this will be an added, you know, and not just like for makeup, it'll cleanse your skin as well. Oh, okay. Ooh, it does smell very fresh and clean, and like oranges. Very bright. I am so pleasantly surprised and impressed with this box from FabFitFun. Let me know what you guys think of this box. I am so excited for it. Let me know if you guys are gonna be a subscriber, if you guys are gonna pass on it. What do you think it's worth it for this box for $39 with my code? What do you guys think? Let me know. Is 4 times a year too much or too little? Just, you know, sound off in the comments down below. I'm very curious. I would love to know. And I want to thank FabFitFun for again sponsoring this video. I really appreciate them and you guys for watching, and for bringing us some goodies in quarantine, and for like making me excited for my birthday. And I have lots of cute things to look forward to and to like use on my birthday. Like, I cannot wait for all this. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.